Did you know one moment of forced reading changed the course of millions of lives forever? In 1521, Ignatius of Loyola was a vain Spanish soldier obsessed with glory and conquest. Then a cannonball shattered his leg at the Battle of Pamplona. For months he lay bedridden in agony, desperate for entertainment. The only books available were lives of saints and stories of Christ. At first he daydreamed about military victories and impressing noble ladies, but something strange happened when he started examining his thoughts. Dreams of worldly glory left him empty and restless afterward. Thoughts of serving God filled him with lasting peace and energy. This simple practice of watching his mind revealed everything. One type of desire was fleeting poison, the other was nourishing truth. In that moment, he abandoned his military career entirely. This single technique of thought examination became the foundation of Jesuit spiritual exercises. Today, millions worldwide still use this method to find their true calling.